Minimax released Hailuo 2 video model, which is direct competitor to VEO3 by Google. And by the end of the video, I'll show you different kind of prompts testing videos that will test this new model is good or not. This model is generating seriously good videos, so we have to see what this Minimax new model can do. And on a serious note, these videos are absolutely crazy. You have to look into that. I'm Adit, and you're watching SkillCurb. So let's start with the first video we have. Is a very interesting video. So it's a Ghibli art, our favorite animation style, where the prompt says it create a video with a visual studio of a Ghibli art with soft graphics and warm color. The scene begins with a 12-year-old girl entering in the bedroom, and she has a straight dark brown hair tied in the ponytail and wearing a short-sleeved white shirt and navy blue pleated skirt. So this is a very interesting look at the video first, and the details are absolutely good. Like, I did not expect that Hailuo can be this good in such a really short time. Like, I remember there was a time when Hailuo used to generate a very hallucinated videos, and I thought Minimax might not be good at video generation, but look at this video first, and I'm just amazed by the details. Look at the book details. They have flowers, the table has flowers, and everything looking perfectly okay. The way she's moving pencils. So I think we should not waste more time in this video description, because you already got an idea what kind of video it can generate when it comes to animation. We have so many videos to see. Okay, so another video we have that shows that this model do not hallucinate when it comes to text, and this is a big win, by the way. Minimax do not hallucinate when it comes to writing text. Look, the prompt was "I love you Lebono," and it actually wrote the same thing, "I love you Lebono." Okay, have you seen the spelling mistake, the comma? There's no legend, there's not a single hallucination text I can see here. The background blur, the watery window. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, that's more than perfect. Okay, so another image we have right now. So this image is a man, I think this is looking like some worker working in a factory, very sweaty. So what this is, the character looks worried at his surroundings. The mist thickens and surrounds the boy. Figures above the platform shimmer with the metallic shining attire. They walk above and look at the video. You already know Minimax is so good when it comes to generating camera angle videos. Like, look at this, it is pedestal down, tilt up and zoom out videos, and gosh, nothing can beat when it comes to camera tracking in the Minimax. Okay, another video. Another video we have this image of a AI generated lion, and it's looking good, by the way. Okay, let's appreciate this image first. Okay, then we'll move out. Okay, so this image is a pretty interesting prompt with hyper-realistic lion with exceptionally large, majestic, flowing beard and expressively human-like facial feature. Wearing a sleek black Nike sports jacket, the lion is clearly taking a wide-angle vertical selfie, holding camera close with outstretched paw. And you can read the entire prompt, and the prompt is already very detailed, by the way, and that's why look at the video. The video is so detailed, like the way this lion is speaking and everything. Oh gosh, this is interesting. Okay, this is more probably a way to show the camera of a selfie angle, but okay, no hard feelings. This is insanely good work by Minimax. Okay, another video we have to talk about is interestingly my favorite, by the way. So this is a very basic prompt, like POV, point of view camera, a black BMW car escaping from the police car and high speed, and the car is destroyed, impact to trashes. This is a cinematic scene. Okay, look at this. The way the car is getting destroyed, the physics is almost better than all the GTA games, by the way. And you can see our character protagonist, by the way, this mirror. Oh gosh. Okay, this is one of my favorite video this model ever generated, and I'm good. Now let's talk about how this model can generate humans. So we have a very young woman, a very young woman laughing in a back seat of a car, and look at the way she's laughing and the way her hair is flowing. All right, my favorite. So another image we have is this woman in a very doing concert with a cage behind her and a very watery floor. Now let's see what is the prompt. The prompt is a large indoor concert venue. A woman with a long hair wearing a long dress inside a square icon cage. She's singing passionately with expressive gestures, and look at this. Look at this. Okay, one thing I can say is Hailuo maybe hallucinated here a little bit because the woman was inside the cage, by the way. Okay, I expected it would be outside, but okay, the way she's moving and all the moves with proper mic gesture are something we need to admire, by the way. So okay, another woman image, we have this AI generated image of this woman with a little bit brownish hair and a waterfall in behind, and the woman takes off her coat, and gosh, all right, that's very pretty. Okay, okay, maybe this is a kind of inspiration from the movie Titanic or something, but whatever the context, the essence is, Minimax Hailuo 2 is seriously good when it comes to generating human character. Alright, so another we have a very interesting image of a bee with singing towards its colleagues or peers, and they all are enjoying the song, by the way. And look at this mic. Okay, so one thing I can also show is that Minimax new model can also be used to generating some kids kind of cartoon. I think it's almost beating VO3, by the way, because I can sense the way it's so smooth. Alright, so another image we have is a one cold grey winter afternoon where a brown haired girl wearing an old sweater knelt under the popular tree gently holding an injured kitten. Oh gosh, this is an interestingly cute video, and the way she's holding kitten, and alright, the way the way kitten is soft and softy, and the way snow on her hair. Okay, this is interestingly good. Alright, I'm impressed. Okay, so another interesting video we have is a first-person POV, an Egyptian warrior running into battles across the desert, chariots raced by infantry lines advance with shields, arrows overlaid, the horizon is filled with dust and shouting, spears clash and drums pound, and the weather prompt is hot, dry desert, weather with hazy heat waves. God, this is seriously good. Like, we can make an entire video show, by the way. Like, look at the weather, and okay, the way camera is like shaking, the jittering, it's interestingly good. All right, another video we have this Asian woman, with a cinematic close-up shot, wearing some sci-fi suit, like cyberpunk kind of video. Like, look, one thing I can say cyberpunk is because behind there's this like dystopian city where the cars are moving with more laser light stuff, and the Asian woman close-up shot is good. The way her hair are waving off, are good, are actually good. Okay. Okay, another video have this image turned into a video where this little kid is with a wolf, and this video is not that much explainable, so let's leave this. Okay, another we have an anime style kind of video, and okay, this is looking interestingly good. I can say that Minimax actually winning this race, I guess, because I don't know what to say else. Okay, so there's another small old teddy bear named Tuffy lies forgettable under a bed. Dusty, torn, and ignored flashback shows how it was once a child's favorite toy, and look, that's good. Okay, this is showing kind of a flashback memory inside its opacity. Gosh, Minimax is doing so well, like literally. Alright, it's time to see more videos, by the way. So this is a very interesting ultra slow motion walking forward with looking forearms. So this Asian guy with a jacket. I think this jacket is inspired by Ryan Gosling's movie, and it's good. Okay, so another video we have is a warrior in black fur coat faces a massive dragon's snowy battlefield, cinematic lighting, and ultra detailed photorealistic fantasy scene. This is looking like some scene from, I guess, the Game of Thrones, but gosh, Minimax did it very well. Like the snowy dragon. Okay, this is the first time I'm watching something like this, so please spare me, guys. Okay, another video we have is this very cute frog. Not frog, actually. This is like changing a different kind of colors, and honestly, this is good. Alright, so our favorite video, teen with Will Smith fresh looking and happy eating spaghetti, and the benchmark has been fulfilled. Okay, this is interesting. So I think we have watched enough videos to give you a realization that how cool it is. So another we have a prompt, a photorealistic video of of two stylish, confident man in their early 30s driving a vintage convertible car. Oh god, this is interestingly good. Like, okay, this is a 6-second video, but honestly, it's looking like Tom Cruise or something. Okay. Alright, so this is another Wanda from Fairly Odd Parents going to Walmart with Timmy Turner. And wow, I love the way the cleanness in animation is. It's looking like it's not even made by AI. This is looking like some standard Cartoon Network show. Okay, it's time to see some hands-on lab with the Halo 2 model. So I just generated two prompts with the ChatGPT. I said ChatGPT generate two Halo 2 based prompts. So I got two prompts and let's see how this new model actually reacts. So first prompt I have is a very interesting prompt, but it's very hacker scene of a tech cyberpunk theme. So it's a cinematic shot of Nightmare City with skyline glowing with neon lights, and it's a cyberpunk based themes. And let's see how this video reacts. So I will just go here. I'll simply copy this prompt as we always do. Just copy it and go to the Halo and just text to video section. You can just upload it, select the model which is Halo 2, which is new model, and here you can select the duration. I would just go with the basic resolution and just simply click on here. And now it's time to go something important, which is Halo's camera direction. Click on the camera icon and you can see there's multiple ways to select your camera designing and teleporting. I would just go with the simple right circling one. Click here and you can see now you will get some prompt like truck right, pan left, and tracking shot. Just leave it here and you can click here and it will take 25 credits to generate a new video. And let's see how the video came out. So the video is this: the cinematic shots, light midnight city glowing with neon lights, purple and blue tones, reflection of a wet pavement. And you can see now this mysterious hacker with glowing eyes, and you can see the proper camera direction as we always wanted. And you can see the screen. However, one thing you can notice is the screen is pretty reverse. Like screen you can see is reverse side. The codes are coming not from the hacker side, but it coming from the camera side, which is pretty unrealistic. But if we see just the background and the movement and the hacker's eyes, which is absolutely good. Like I'm generally appreciating this basic 4K resolution kind of video, which I did not expect this from the Hailuo AI 2. So I can say Hailuo is doing very well. Okay, time for another prompt here. So we got another prompt, which is a very good one actually. So it's a YouTuber lifestyle setup. So this prompt is very simple: a warm cozy room interior with ambient yellow lighting, bookshelf in the background, and a young creator sitting in a modern desk with a condenser microphone. And we will just copy this prompt as we always do and go to the Hailuo. This time we will not select any camera, we will leave it to the default. So see how exactly Hailuo 2 reacts when we select no camera angles. And this is the video we came from. Oh god, it is so realistic. Like this was the video which I was like in the shock, like how exactly Hailuo 2 can come up with. I cannot literally differentiate between a human and this AI YouTuber. This is looking almost real. Like okay, so someone and you'll realize this is almost very realistic. The mics and the background is also very static, which is very interesting. Okay, you can see the movement is also very optimal, and hand movement, hand gestures is absolutely looking very explainable. So yeah, you can generate some YouTuber kind of videos if you want to use in your YouTube intros and something like that. So it's a very good one. So yeah, that's also a very good one, but we will not stop here. We will also use image to video generator. So what I did was very simple. I go to the image upload section and I really liked this image of this an anime girl with the cat. So it's a like square ratio image, and just I uploaded it. And what I said is very simple. I said make her play with the cat, and that's it. I just simply clicked on generate button. I also did not choose any camera angle to see how exactly it reacts on the default setting, and we got this video. And I'm really amazed by the video quality. This anime girl is actually playing with the cat, and the cat is also playing with her. And look at those cat's movement, eyes movement, and the way cat is reacting. However, the nose and mouth can be a little bit blurry and something, but overall it's a good video. So I can say with the minimal prompt you can still generate a very good amount of video with the Hailuo. So there's also some videos by this new model Hailuo AI. I'll leave you here and you can watch some of the videos I left for you, and then you can decide you want to try this model or not. For my take is this model is interestingly good. Like if you want to try VEO or something like that, you should give a try to Minimax Hailuo AI 2 because it's almost as near perfection, and the way video models are growing fast, I don't think there's anything missing here.